You go out in the yard? You gonna look for squirrels? Hey, Cassie, there's a squirrel? There's a squirrel over there? No squirrel? A squirrel over there? Look, over here, there's a squirrel. No? Is there a squirrel over there? There's a squirrel!